Yeah, so I got my, I'm getting close to being able to weld this thing in, but this corner here on both sides is, you know, still pretty bumpy. And I got a 2-inch wheel, which really doesn't quite really get in there very well. I'm wondering what you guys would do to get this nice and smooth and shaped properly. Let me know what you think. The other side is similar. I'll show that to you. Actually, the other side's worse. It's got more weld in there. I'm going to come across here with the shelf, of course. But I got to get this ugliness smoothed down and looking good for the gasket. So